I bought 60,000 yen of Shin-Etsu. It's really a fantastic company that when it's down 5% because of an election, I'll buy it. It's a great way to play AI if you don't want to play chips. The 20 PE stock and 40% of their net income is semiconductor silicone. They are the largest manufacturer of high quality silicone, which is used in semiconductors. As a bonus, it's also an infrastructure play because they are also the largest PVC manufacturer. You need pipes, you need chips. It's pretty diversified. It is a pretty stable company. Looking back, it hasn't been down 5% on anything. I am, however, curious about the synthetic sex pheromone. I want to hear about that. That was about $4,000, which is a little bit bigger than I'd want it to be, but Japan hates poor people. They hate small investors. They don't want you to diversify. They only allowed you to trade 100 share units. So 4K is the minimum to invest in this company. There is the potential that silicone gets replaced on the substrate level of semiconductors, but that's not going to happen before 2027 at the earliest. This is me globalizing and diversifying my portfolio. Absolutely huge moat on this company. Check out my Substack linked in bio. I'll be doing a deep dive on this one. And if you don't have $4,000, there is an OTC ADR, so you can get in for cheaper. I just personally bought this because I want to borrow in yen. Right? I think the yen might depreciate. Being a massive exporter, they should benefit from a depreciating yen. But also, if I pay dollars to buy yen, to buy this company in yen, so therefore I'm borrowing in yen. On margin, I'm paying back in yen. The yen depreciates 20%. It turns out I only owe them $3,200, so I can make $800 on this trade if the company goes nowhere. But that would help the company. Semiconductors will help the company. As soon as we start building more, laying pipes, all that kind of stuff. Hey, maybe they get some good sex pheromones. I don't know. I like this company in my portfolio.